What's going on here? That's not how you fly a drone.
This is the new way.
Do you want me to go? Meow. How's that feel?
Welcome to the UK's first dedicated FPV Drone Festival. Join from the 12th to the 14th of August at Powerhouse, Clipstone Colliery, and G219EH. We're gonna have many crazy and fun challenges for all our guests. Many valuable prizes to win, thanks to our sponsors. Challenges: the Sinkhole, Go Nuts Goggle Run, the Super Loop, Stairway to Heaven, Crazy Balloons, FPV Indoor Whoop Races, Uncrashed FPV Simulator Challenges, the Best Trick Competition, an Airsoft Shooting Range, the Prop Swap Challenge, Insta360 Workshops, and even the Worst Crash Prize.
I can't see it! Drive it better!
We have some announcements to come soon. Stay tuned.